The sun is out, but it's still cold. So this is the advantage of Nano. You can put it on a flat place to shoot without any brackets and bases. A lot of such anti-corruption propaganda. And you can easily find a place where your camera can be magnetically attached. Walking and talking with this camera is much easier than holding a mobile phone. Okay, this is my destination, a long plank road in the forest. This is the entrance. Well, as you can see, it's very difficult to place mobile phone stably. The Nano is very easy. So, as you can see, I need a stabilizer. Using mobile phone, I need to film myself like this. Or I can film myself like this. But using Nano, you just need to do like this. Of course, the telephoto of mobile phone can bring you more scenes and a more cinematic feel. That is what Nano can't do. There are some people walking from here, but not too many. Okay, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.